Hey, what does that say? Keep Elephant Hill clear if you want the gates open. Don't it up for the locals. Bottles. If you off-road, be safe and don't drink. Okay, we'll do, but I don't know how everyone else did on this one. Wow. There's a lot of trash here. Well, yeah, I made it to this location, and I guess it's time to fly, I guess. So yeah, I guess that concludes the end of the trip. What happened was that one of my VTX cables got disconnected, and it got disconnected on the solder joint. So yeah, I guess that's the end of the trip. It was pretty nice exploring the spot. Seems to be a nice spot for long range, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be here soon in the next month, so yeah.